Hello neighbors, it's Nate Lansing here. I want to wish everyone a happy summer. Hope you had a great 4th of July. The housing market has reached around the midpoint of the year here, and we've seen a couple shifts take place in the last month or so. So let's take a look at the numbers for the month of June and see what's happened. In the month of June, there were 111 new listings. Up a little bit from May, not too much, pretty much flat. Where we see the really big difference between what happened in May is the number of active in the Nokomis area went from 86 to 53. So quite a significant jump of inventory we've seen in the last month or so. Pending sales have dropped a little bit from 81, or at 81 from 91. And closed sales have jumped quite significantly, up to 96 from 71. Price has remained about the same as it was the previous month, 265, 100. That is continues to set all-time records for the Nokomis area. And days in market essentially stayed flat. Month supply. Quite a bit of a jump here from 0.9 to 1.4 month supply. Quick reminder, month supply is if you take all the number of houses on the market, divided by the number of sales, it gives you the amount of time it would take for every house to sell out, considering there are no new listings. So essentially, the lower the number, the tighter the inventory. So we've seen quite a bit of a jump, up quite a bit in the past month or so. It's still a really historically low inventory situation, but the market has shifted. There is quite a bit more inventory out there than there was last month or so. We're starting to see less multiple offer situations, less, 20 offers on a property, because there's simply just more stuff to look at. We're also starting to see a lot more price reductions. Sellers who try to take advantage of the super low inventory situation, put their house on the market for a pretty high price, are now seeing that they have more competition and they're needing to readjust their price to reflect kind of what's going on in the market. So as a seller, there's still really low inventory, the demand is still really strong, but you're going to need to make sure that you compete really well with the houses out there, present it very well, price it competitively, make sure the marketing is really, really good to still get those high prices. So those are the basic numbers of what happened in June. It'll be interesting to see what happens for the month of July, if inventories continue to rise, or if if we've hit the peak and we see it to start go back down, sort of a midsummer lull. That'll really affect how, what the prices do, how quickly things sell. I'd expect this days on market number to start creeping up as more houses hit the market. So if you have any questions on what's going on in the Nokomis area, what's going on in the market, how it might affect your home, your buying or selling, etc., please give me a call or send me a message, comment on the video, and I'd be happy to help you out any way I can. I hope everyone have a great rest of the summer. It's almost state fair time, and it should be a blast. So I will be in touch next month. Thank you very much.